Welcome to our new video on sugarcane chip bud nursery preparation and its benefits. This innovative technique is revolutionizing the way we cultivate sugarcane. In this video, we will discuss step-by-step process of setting up a chip bud nursery and highlight its numerous benefits. To establish a chip bud nursery, select healthy, disease-free sugarcane stems and cut them into small pieces called chip buds. Plant the chip buds in a well-prepared nursery bed with the eye bud facing upwards. Water thoroughly and maintain optimal soil moisture. Provide adequate sunlight and fertilization. After 2 to 3 weeks, transplant the seedlings to the main field. Chip buds have a higher success rate compared to traditional seedlings. Disease control. This method reduces the risk of disease transmission. Chip bud seedlings mature faster, allowing for earlier harvesting. Properly established chip bud nurseries can lead to higher sugarcane yields. This method requires less water as compared to traditional sugarcane cultivation. By adopting the chip bud nursery technique, sugarcane farmers can improve crop yields, reduce disease risks and conserve water.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Contact us on WhatsApp 034161033531.